This is Little Skull again with another magic trick. Here it is. So I'm gonna make a prediction and let's go. So only me. So ready? Okay. I think I'm gonna go with this one. This card. Okay. So I'm gonna flip over the deck and I would like you to say stop whenever you would like.
Stop.
Okay. So I'm going to flip this over. Flip this one over. Okay. So pick one. Pick one of this. This one, would you like to pick the left or the right?
Right.
Right? Okay. So for the right, my prediction was an 8. So let's count 8 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cards. We flip over this one. We flip over this one. And the final one is an 8. Thank you everybody for watching this video. And if you would like to see more, give me a lot of subscribers, a lot of likes, and a lot of comments. Thank you everybody. And I'll see you next time. Little Skull out.